Guys, I have to come on the video and say something about this. I am at Wendy's right now trying to get a sandwich. I haven't had breakfast. Let me turn the radio down. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I need a sandwich because I'm running some errands on the road, and I decided to stop at Wendy's and get a sandwich. And I look on the chart and I see something. It said, let me turn it around, show you. It said new up there. It said Italian mozzarella chicken. For me, saying this is because I remember when I was 19 and I couldn't spell my name. I have to move up in the line. I couldn't spell my name, and now I'm able to do so. I'm gonna make my order by. All right, I'm back. And say this to say that never give up on yourself. Because when I was 19, I remember clearly you could write my name on bowl and I eat it, and I don't know. That was how my name spelled. So never give up on yourself. Continue to be who you want to be, and don't ever give up on yourself, because if you do, everyone else will. God bless you. Okay, so I decided to do a part 2. I'm waiting on my sandwich. But to say this to say that, guys, never give up on yourself, because let me tell you something. If you give up on you, then everybody else will. So you have to have that self-motivation, self-driven, love yourself. Self-love is the best thing for you. Love yourself, and forget about the loud noise that is around you, and try to focus on yourself. Be who you want to be, and be confident with it. That's my advice to you guys. Love you, take care of yourself, and have a blessed day. Bye, guys. Okay, so I just placed my order and I'm waiting on my sandwich, so I decided to do an additional video. I said before, when I was 19, I couldn't spell my name, and I repeat that because there's a lot of people still out there who cannot read or write, and it goes to say don't give up on yourself, because at the age of 19, when you couldn't even write bat or cat because you don't know how to do it, it's embarrassing. For me, it was so embarrassing, and there's so much more I can tell you that I've gone through that make me feel like I was nobody on this earth, but I overcome, and you can too. So this is my advice to you. Never give up on yourself. Love yourself. Self-love is the key to anything that you want to do. Self-love, do it. As I said, leave out the loud noise and focus on you. Don't worry about what everybody's saying about you, because that cannot help you. It cannot. So just love yourself, and it's never, never, never too late. Bye, guys. Love ya. Let's touch on a topic. I'm still in my car when I was 19 years old, and the embarrassment that I face is what pushed me to not making my children go through that kind of embarrassment. I don't even know where to start. Just looking at the name of a car: Honda, Toyota, Mercedes, Acura. I would look on all those words and don't recognize them. I used to feel so dumb. I used to feel like I was not a part of this world. Like, what am I gonna live my life like that? I don't know. Like, I beat myself up for everything, but besides that, it is not easy for someone to be in this universe, in this time and age, and don't understand to do stuff, to spell, to read. It is very hard. So it's good to focus on your children and help them to better themselves and get an education, because trust me, A lot of people reach my age and still don't know how to do it. But if you put in the work, you will achieve it. I promise you, you will achieve it. You have to just focus on you. And my encouragement is to focus on you. If you have children and you have them early, you gotta put them first and then focus on you, because that's what I did. But you need to put you on top as well. So do you. That's my encouragement to you. Self-love. Okay?